All right, solve for each set of congruent triangles. So here they actually tell you these triangles are already congruent. So AC is congruent to AB here. So AC is congruent to AB. So we can set up AC is equal to AB. All right. So 4x plus 8 is equal to 7x minus 4 minus 7x to both sides. Nope. Minus 4x to both sides. This cancels. This becomes plus 4 to both sides. So this can cancel. 8 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is equal to 3x. Okay. Then divide 3 to both sides. You get 4 is equal to x. There you go. X is equal to 4. Next here we have this angle. We have that is congruent to that. So line AB is congruent to line CB. AB is equal to CB. So x squared plus 3x is equal to 9x minus 8. All right, minus 6 minus 9x both sides because I'm trying to get x alone, plus 8 to both sides. So this cancels, leaving you with a 0 on the right. On the right hand side, you have x squared minus 6x plus 8. So now you're going to have to factor it. Two numbers that multiply to get positive 8, which adds up to negative 6. So x looks like 4 and x minus 2. Okay. Negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8. Negative 4x and negative 2x does add up to negative 6x. So this is correct. X minus 4 equals to 0. So x is equal to 4. X minus 2 equals to 0. Plus 2 to both sides. X is equal to 2. So x is both equal to 4 or x is equal to 2. Next, let's take a look at this one. X squared plus 2x. This side is going to be congruent to this side. So we have line WS is congruent to line ZS. WS is equal to ZS. X squared plus 2x is equal to x squared plus 24. Notice you minus x squared to both sides. This cancels. So you get 2x is equal to 24. Divide by 2, divide by 2. X is only equal to 12.